Okay, so here we are on our WordPress site. And let me just say, I apologize. I hope you can hear me. I'm having to use a different microphone. And then we got some background noise, but I hope you can hear me. So let's get started. We got our WordPress site open. Now, this is just a test site for me that I run on my local host on my local computer. And I'm just using it as an example. So one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to go under settings. Now, I'm just going to assume that you have all your basic settings set up. This is not a training course on that. So we're going to get started right off with this product. So the first thing we're going to do is go to settings, and we're going to go manage some of our writing settings, okay? And within the writing settings, when after you purchase the product, you will have a ping optimizer list. Now, this is a list that you can get free. I just put it in here for convenience, but you do get it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open that ping optimizer list, and we're going to copy all of these ping sites. Okay, and this is just going to help us get our stuff indexed quicker. So we're going to copy that. And on our writing settings, we're going to come down here and then just paste it in here, okay? And that'll help us getting our content indexed, or indexed in Google. So just save changes. So the next thing we're going to do is upload the 3 plugins, okay? Let me go to plugins, and we'll just go over them just real quick. In your downloads, you will have the AutoRank software. You will have RSS Pro plugin. You'll have SEO Backlink Pro plugin, and then you'll have Pingback Pro plugin. And then I've also included the social, syndication plugin here. Keep in mind, this is a free plugin. I've just included it here for convenience purposes. So we're going to be uploading the RSS Pro plugin. This is going to be one of the main plugins that we use. These plugins, the SEO Backlink Pro and Pingback Pro, we'll set up, and then those will run on autopilot in the background for us, okay? So we're going to upload these 3 plugins, or all 4 of them. So you'll have ARC Pingback Pro, then you'll have the Next Scripts. This is an awesome plugin, free, okay? And then you'll have RSS Pro, and then you'll have the SEO Backlink Pro, and then whatever other plugins you might have. Now, you may run into, depending on what plugins you have on your site, you may run into, conflicts. I'm not sure. We'll just have to deal with that when we get there. But so we'll have those plugins uploaded. Okay, so what we need to do at this point is we need to go into our social networks auto poster, and we need to set up our accounts. So we're going to click on settings, and back on our page, remember we talked about setting up your social network sites. So that's what these are going to be right here. Okay. Now, the main sites, it's good to set them all up, okay? But to get started, the main sites that you want to set up are StumbleUpon, Twitter, Facebook, Journal, LiveJournal, Blogger, Google+, and Pinterest. Go ahead and set those up, okay? Now, I'm not going to go through and show you how to set those up. They're pretty easy. Just go to each site and create an account, okay? Now, make sure when you're creating these accounts, make sure you're logging that information on your WordPad or Word document, okay? You want to make sure you're logging everything. You want to make sure and have notes. You want to have all your logins, okay? What I recommend is creating a email address, maybe an AOL, okay? You're going to use that one AOL or one email address to create all of your accounts for this particular site. Okay, so you'll use the same email account to set up all these. Now, once you get these set up, that's what you need to do right now. Okay, so let's get those set up. Now, I'm not going to go through and set all these up. I already have accounts on everything, but I'll just go ahead and get these set up, and let's take a look at the other settings. Now, it will go ahead and be set on schedule. Okay, that works really well. Okay, so what will happen is each time you publish a new post, it will go ahead and send it out or syndicate it to all of your accounts. Okay, you can leave all of this on the way it's set up, our own default. Okay, now you want to make sure and choose the category. So if you're posting content into a blog category, if that's the category that you want to put your content in for this purpose, you want to select that category. Okay. I recommend, one thing I left out is I recommend getting a Bitly. It's free. Get your Bitly API key. Make sure you go ahead and do that. I'm going to add that to our page. Okay, so make sure you put in your Bitly username and API key. You get it all here. Okay. The next thing, make sure you go ahead and check this box, enable comments import. Okay, and you can just leave this set the way it is, but make sure you check that box. Okay. Everything else you can pretty much leave the way it is. Just click on update settings. Okay, so go ahead and get that done, and we'll pick up where we left off in the next video.